Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, standing on the side of the road, and you know what that means. That means that we are doing a rustic road today. And today we are doing number 124. This is the one that I tried to get to last year because it was brand new last year and just never had the chance to do it, unfortunately. But, I mean, check this out. Look at that. Look at that big rock structure up there. That is so cool. That's what we get to look at when we first start this road. That's nice right there. Sign over here says 5 miles long. I don't know if that's right because I think the website says 4.8. So I'm not sure exactly which one's right. Oh, check it out. There's horses down there just across the road. Huh. You guys can rewind it and see the horses crossing. You can turn the image around. That was cool. I saw them walking down that way, but I didn't get my camera going in time, so I missed them. But apparently the trail just goes around and in front of the road. Cool. So anyway, I don't know anything about number 124, so let's get on the bike, let's ride it, and see what it's got. All right, guys. It is a very warm day today, hence the reason the textile jacket and that I have it unzipped. I don't even have my cuffs done up. It's just so hot and humid today. Okay, so 45 mile an hour is what I believe I saw. Well, look at that. I got a big bug splat on my face shield. Oh, more rock structure there. That's kind of cool. I think I might slow down just a little bit for this road. We might miss something. Summer is in full bloom here, so yeah, you can see that there, you just can't see past the tree line. That's always a good sign right there, the little twisty road sign. Oh, keep your eyes on the road, Mark. Drifting all over the place. Look at this big red barn. Wow. Nice curves here. Now if I was doing 55 miles an hour, I'd probably have to slow down a little bit for those curves. I see no sign to turn down that road, so I'm not gonna. In fact, it looks more like a private driveway than anything. I think it just dead ends at that house and farm there. Yeah, this is nice. Got that silo sticking up over the trees there. Liking that. Looks like they got a soybean crop up on top of the ridge here on the side of the road. Check out that old house or building. Hell, it might be a schoolhouse or an old town hall or something. I really do not know. Springdale Town Hall. Okay, that's what that is. I wonder, yeah, because there's the rest of the maintenance shop stuff. So I wonder if that's an active town hall. Nice barn with some silos over there. Alright, I'm going to slow down a little bit for these curves. Getting them at about 35. Still in 5th gear. I didn't downshift for them. Get back up to 45 here. Not quite a tunnel of trees, but a lot of nice shade along this route, along this road. I can't talk today. I do not have a road map on my phone at all, so I really don't know what the road is doing ahead of me. I'm just having to concentrate on road signs. This is nice, nice curves. Alright, let's slow down a little bit for this one. I didn't see a cautionary sign, but yeah, that one was a little tight. And then we'll go right back, nice S curve. Hit that about 30 miles an hour. Looks like we've climbed up on the hill a little bit. Okay, now we're going to be crossing over, what is this, 18, I think, Highway 18. And we got a Rustic Road sign here on the corner saying to keep going straight, so that's what we will do. And another number sign across the street. We'll go past the church here. Springdale Lutheran Church. Oh, check out that house. Wow. That's new construction. Got another one back there too. So must be having some subdivisional thing going on. Let's just coast down the hill. Oh man, that's a steep hill. Wow! That is a very steep hill. Yeah! Awesome. Oh, this is nice. And I'm just coasting up the hill. That was nice. I basically coasted almost all the way up. Oh, nice big trees around the road here. Does make it difficult to see around the curves though. Yeah, I had a downshift. I got into down around 30 to go around that curve, and I downshifted into 4th gear. So yeah, this road hasn't had a whole lot of speed warning signs for the curves. Not that I've been able to see. Maybe they're hidden in the trees, but I really did not see them. So I believe this, yep, is the end of our Rustic Road. Quick little 5-mile road, but it was a wonderful road, as per the usual. I mean, the Rustic Roads are really awesome. They really are. And you guys really need to get out here and ride these roads. They are so cool. Each one of them in their own way are really nice roads. Well, this is Mark saying thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming along and enjoying the road with me, and always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys. Do I want to hit another one today? I don't know. They're calling for rain, and I can see clouds starting to pile up. I got an hour to get home. We'll have to see.